In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to connect interactive brokers to Tradingview. Now, if you weren't already aware, this will allow you to trade on the Tradingview interface using your interactive brokers account. So if you prefer the charts on Tradingview, but like interactive brokers as a broker, then this is the right video for you. The first thing you need to do is head over to the interactive brokers website, and you need to either log into your account, or if you don't yet have one, you can simply open an account. And from here, we need to start our application. Now from here, I'm just going to fill out all these details and I'm just going to create an account. Okay, so I've created an account with interactive brokers and we're now ready to connect it to Tradingview. So the way to do that is to head over to the Tradingview website and you can simply choose any of these charts and you just want to open them up on Supercharts. And once you open it up, it will look something like this. So from here, we need to go to the bottom of the page and click on Trading Panel. And from here, when we lift this up, we can see a few of the brokers they support. Now we can click See All Brokers at the bottom, and this will allow us to see all the brokers that they support on Tradingview. So what we want to do from here is just look for interactive brokers. So on my screen, I can find it here on the second row down, the second one across. And all we have to do from here is simply click on it. From here, we'll have to connect to our account, and we can do that by clicking this blue connect button right here. So from here, it's going to ask for our username and password, and we also want to make sure that we've selected the correct account, because they have live accounts, which means you're trading with real money, and they have paper accounts, which are basically demo accounts with fake money. And I'll just be using a paper account, so I'm just going to sign in to my interactive brokers account. After you've logged in and connected your account, you will have successfully connected your interactive brokers account to Tradingview. Now, there was an issue with my interactive brokers account and it wasn't letting me sign in, so I've just signed in with Awanda here. But it will look exactly the same for you, but instead of saying Awanda, it will say interactive brokers. However, the user interface will look the same as what you're seeing now. You can simply click trade to open this trading panel, and from there, we're now ready to trade on Tradingview with our interactive brokers account. So that's how you can connect interactive brokers to Tradingview. I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.